my channel Authentic Kash. I'm Riddhi Kashyap. So as I was decorating my YouTube notebook, yes, I have created a YouTube notebook to write down the ideas that keeps popping in my head, and I thought that I should share it with you too. So let's get started. So I made these stickers as I've shown in the previous video how to make DIY stickers, and now I'm gonna paste it. So I'm done with decorating now. See how it looks. And as you know what I'm going to say now, it is written right here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.